Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I'm super excited to be joining Scrap Diva's Christmas in July video hop. This is day 2, so if you missed day 1, please hop over to Scrap Diva's YouTube channel and you can start hopping there. When I sort of wanted to get inspired for this hop, I just looked through my stash of Christmas products from Scrap Diva, and I was also thinking of what do I need for Christmas when it comes, what do I need to be prepared. So I am giving away small gifts for my kids' teachers and also Christmas cards. So that was what my main focus for this. So I looked through my stash and found this beautiful flip top box. I can have another video where I created a flip top box linked up in the corner here if you like to check that one out. So I sort of looked through my stash of 3D boxes, and this one was the one that I really wanted to recreate and have as a Christmas one. I also found the beautiful gingerbread bow set, so I will be using that one. And I also knew that I wanted some embellishment, so I created these beautiful flowers, and these ones comes from the Santa Boot mini album if you like to recreate these. But you can also look through your stash of Scrap Diva products. She have a lot of really cute flowers. I also got quite recent this really cute bear, and it's just adorable. I love it. It comes in 2 sizes and this is the smallest one. I will create another one off camera in white, so I will have like a polar bear and a regular brown bear. So cute. So this is the gingerbread bow set. I know I'm jumping around quite a lot, sorry about that, but I was very inspired to create these projects. So I wanted to have them done and the embellishments and everything. So I made it sort of throughout the day here when I had some time. My family and I are on vacation at the moment, so we are all home, so I have like minutes here and there to create. So I just took advantage of that time that we had at home between our trips and just went ahead and created these projects, sorry again. And you can see here how I'm creating this box. If you like a slowed down version of this, you can always check that link that I have for my other 2 products that I created like in January this year, I think it was, or this spring anyway. So it was a while ago, but you can see it goes together really nicely. It's all of these pieces that will just be connected, and we will have our box so shortly created here. I'm using liquid glue to attach everything. Also, if you think this is going too fast and you don't want to skip to the other video, you could also just slow it down up on the 3 dots in the right corner here. So that is also a tip. I hope I mentioned that this is a part of a giveaway. So every channel that is a part of this video hop will give away $20 in a gift code for Scrap Diva's shop. So that is very generous of her. I know some of the other channels will also have extra like gifts. I will not have that for today because of like shipping costs to the US from Sweden is ridiculous, so I don't want to do that at the moment. I might in the future. Hopefully things will get a little bit better, hopefully, fingers crossed, but at the moment I can't do that, so I'm so sorry about that. But just know that some of the other channels will probably have other gifts as well. So for a chance to win a lot of prizes, please go ahead and leave comments at all of the videos for a chance to win those gift certificates. And I think it also would be fun to hear in the comments which of these 2 products you like the most. Are you a person that are sending out Christmas cards, or are you mainly created like gifts when you are crafting? I think that would be nice to hear, because that also might implicate like how many Christmas cards I will share here on my channel, and how many like tutorials on cute gifts I might have. So just know that I'm really reading all of your comments. I might not always respond. I'm really bad at that, so I'm so sorry if you left me a comment and I haven't responded yet. So sorry about that. Hopefully I will have a little bit more time when everything slows down and we are going back to work again. So here is the finished card. You could see I accidentally flipped my die upside down for that, so I had to crease my own, but it works nicely. And this will the bow go on top of, so you can see this really cute gingerbread bow set. It's stunning. It has a ton of pieces. You can actually do it a little bit more intricate than I have done in this video as well, but I didn't want it to take too much space on my card, so I just kept it like this. But I think it's just super beautiful. I'm using straws just to make that shape a little bit more rounder and fuller. And of course liquid glue are your friend for this, or sorry, hot glue are your friend for this, because otherwise it will come undone. Trust me, I tried it with this one and it didn't work with just liquid glue, even though I just love liquid glue. Off camera I created a little like charm or dangle or whatever we're gonna call this, and I'm just attaching everything to a chain here that I will wrap in some twine around my bow center here in a second. And I'm tying everything together with the gold in this. So I just think it's a fun addition to have on your bow here at the finished 3D project. For my card you can see these cute little bears, and I created some stockings for them, and this is in the shape of like mittens. Let me just check what this is called. It's called oven mittens set. It's really cute. It came out last year, so you can see how cute these are. And by the way, the pattern paper I'm using for this video is from Lawn Fawn. So I'm just cutting everything to be the perfect size, and I'm raising some of the stuff off with some foam tape just to give it some dimension. And to keep all of this together I just took a long piece of foam so that everything would be connected. You can see here it's super easy to do. I'm just pressing it together with my fingers and then pulling that foam to the back. For embellishment I took those flowers that I created in the beginning and just had them in their hair. I think that looks really cute and whimsical. And also one other flower down there to just tie everything together. I also wanted some ribbon to be like the connecting point between these mittens. I think that turned out really cute. I will cut the exit off, and for the sentiment place here I also took some bells, and that also come from the Santa Boot mini album. I cut them out of gold, really cute. Of course I need some foam to raise everything up, and the snuggle comes actually from an ephemera piece from some old set, and I thought it just fitted perfectly for this sentiment. I created another flower off camera, and then I had some embellishment in clear sequins from Trinity Stamps. And for the finishing touches from my box I just took some foam tape and attached my bow to the lid, and that weight also keeps my box together when it's shut, so you could fill it with some goodies and then give it to the recipient. So if you stayed this long in the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate you watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed these two projects. It would be really fun to know in the comment section which one you like the most. And don't forget that this video is a part of a video hop, so go and check out the rest of the designers from day one and from today, and you will have chances of winning gift certificate codes to Scrap Diva's shop. So that is really generous of her. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Bye!